what are the key things in AI platform? So in AI platform, you will find like you can use any machine learning model. You can actually build machine learning model using your own favorite library. You can use TensorFlow, you can use scikit-learn, you can use Spark machine learning, you can use different AI machine learning libraries, and you can leverage AI platform. You can perform hyperparameter tuning. So, you know, machine learning, the process is very compute intensive. And when you are training your model, when you are fine tuning your model, then it requires a lot of resources. So if you have AI platform, then it is giving you ability to do these things so easily. So it is all driven by configurations rather than coding. So AI platform is making your life very simple. So this is fine. Like machine learning platform is basically AI platform is giving you this ability to actually work on your data, and it is helping you to take care of scaling your models. It is helping you to port your models. It is helping you to ensure that your models can interact with different types of clients, because one client may be Java client, another client may be mobile application, or another client may be some C++ client. So different types of clients can interact with your machine learning model. So portability is very important. Sometimes machine learning model is deployed on cloud. Sometimes machine learning model is deployed on edge, like that is on the device itself, right? So there are so many places machine learning models can be deployed. So the AI platform is taking care of like how you train your model in a scalable manner, how you can deploy your model, how you can serve your model, how you can scale your model, how you can monitor your model, how can you share your model, how can you version your model, how can you ensure that the hyperparameter tuning is basically being done and you are remembering these hyperparameters, how you are doing big bookkeeping of these hyperparameters, how you are scaling to GPUs, TPUs, right, tensor processing units, graphical processing units. So how you are doing it. So all these things are taken care by this Google AI platform. So hope you got an idea like why we need Google AI, why we need AI platform. You know, this is Google AI platform. In Amazon, you will find SageMaker. If you find if you go for any other cloud provider, you will find they have their own this kind of AI platform. So hope this makes sense. Like the problem with AI is not AI. Problem with AI is the engineering around AI. How we are ensuring that we are able to meet all these non-functional requirements, and we are able to scale our model. So all these things, I just mentioned so many points like why AI platform. So this is a holistic view, a complete picture. You can see we are ingesting data, preparing data, pre-processing data using different technologies. We are discovering data. Data discovery is very important, and you know, like a lot of time is wasted in that. Discovering models and labeling data properly. All these things are taken care by AI platform. Labeling surveys. So, and you know, when we are working with machine learning or artificial intelligence, deep learning libraries, there are so many libraries, different versions. So how you are ensuring that these libraries are like compatible with each other and there are no versioning related issues, and these things are actually taken care by the AI platform. So this deep learning virtual machine, I will show you where it is in the AI platform, so you can use that. And then we have training model. You can actually train model on the AI platform, or you can use Kubeflow. So you know, Kubernetes platform is basically for scaling your Kubernetes, orchestrating your containers, and you can run machine learning on Kubernetes. So this Kubeflow is giving you that ability to run machine learning on Kubernetes platform, so that it is very easy to scale your machine learning jobs or the models. And then there is TFX. So this TFX is basically TensorFlow extended. So you know, TensorFlow started in Google, and TensorFlow deep learning library is basically developed by Google Brain team, and internally Google makes use of TensorFlow extended. So TensorFlow extended framework, you can read about this. We have written one blog also on our website related to TensorFlow extended. So this particular library is actually, or this framework is actually giving you everything end-to-end machine learning. So these are the tools for testing and analyzing. So it is part of the TFX framework, which is basically used by Google Brain team. Now, deployment of the model, you can deploy it on cloud, or you can use Kubeflow to deploy the model. And this is AI platform. And then this is AI Hub. What is AI Hub? AI Hub is for sharing your machine learning models. So let's say one team in your company has developed a machine learning model, and you want to share that machine learning model with other teams in the company, or other developers, other data scientists in the company, other AI engineers in the company. So then you can actually make use of AI Hub. So you can have your own private AI hub also. Like you can say that this particular AI hub, you are just storing your machine learning models, which are specific to your enterprise. You don't want to share with public, but you can also get the reusable components, publicly available reusable models. You will find like there is TensorFlow Hub also, where you can find reusable TensorFlow models. Right. So this is like high level picture, but now let's see the practical aspects, like how AI platform looks like.